Some of y'all might not realize it, but I'm the world's worst about procrastination. This month's block of the month is a giraffe. And I don't know what's been so hard about it. I've had my picture picked out since, I don't know, January. But I tried to do it and I just kept, my hands hurt, and I needed to do this and I needed to do that, and I needed to clean up my sewing space. Let's turn this camera a little bit so you can see that, so you can't see that mess over my shoulder. And I finally got it cut today, and I won't tell you how close to when this is supposed to be uploaded that I'm sewing this. But I cut it with my brother's Scan and Cut, and this is what I got left. I'll show you the original picture right here in a second too. I have no clue why it cut the way it did, but I had two options. I could go back and try to find a different giraffe picture to cut. Did I tell you I've procrastinated to the last minute? So what I did instead is I pulled off all of the pieces that I could pull off, and I have glued them down onto my background square. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna sew this. I'm gonna sew it up, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. I will film it so you can watch along if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it. So let's get in here and do it. Blue thread in here. I've set my sewing machine. I'm gonna do a straight stitch as if we were free motion quilting this. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have some pieces that aren't glued down well. And this is never gonna get used for anything except maybe a block and a quilt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sew down the pieces using this blue thread. And when I get to some of the bigger spots, then I may do a zigzag around them. And I'm gonna leave jump threads in here. Guys, to get the full effect of the mess I'm making here. And I did glue down quite a bit of this. And then ironed the glue dry. But some of these little pieces just didn't really want to be ironed or glued. going to slow down here for just a second. So I'm going to do a nice wide stitch all the way around the nose. I haven't decided if I'm going to remove that piece or not because it's not wanting to stick. But we're going to start right here, and I'm just going to do a zigzag stitch all the way around. Family, what did we learn here? We learned that sometimes projects are just not good. I think it came out kind of cute, but I won't be procrastinating another project to the day before it's supposed to go up on the internet. I hope you go check out Sylvia and Coleen's versions of the block of the month. I'm sure theirs will be better than mine because they've both had theirs done for weeks, and I'm the slowpoke here. But here's mine for what it's not worth, and I will see you guys next month for the next block of the month challenge. Have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me butcher this thing right on up. Have a great day.